Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change background on your Shopify store in 2023. The background of your online store is crucial aspect of its design, and it sets the tone and visual appeal for your customers. So in this video, I'll show you the easy and customizable process of changing the background to make your store uniquely yours. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type shopify.com and hit the enter button. If you already have an account, you can always go and click at login because shopify.com will take you right away to the home screen, main screen. So click on login to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, scroll down, read more information about Shopify to know what you're opening an account on, and then click on start a free trial. You'll get a 3 days free trial. Then you'll have to go and pay one of their plans that you can see here. So pause the video to check all the features that I will show you here. You can pause the video and read them all by your own. And you can go and start free trial on whatever plan you want. For me, I'm just going to log in here into my account or into my store. And of course, if you just created your store, you will have to complete the setup guide as an example to finish completing your store. So as an example, you'll have to add your first product, customize your online store, add pages to your store, organize your store navigation, add custom domain, and name your store. And of course, if you log in into your account, you may have already done this. So if you want to change the background of your store, you'll simply have to go to the slips panel, go to online store, and click on that. Once you do so, of course, as you can see from here, you'll find yourself on themes already. Let's start by that. So you can click here to view your store if you want to. And as you can see, this is going to be your store with the products on it, with everything that is here. You can even go and click on customize here, and you'll be able to customize whatever you want on your page, including themes, header, templates, whatever you want, footer, whatever you want, you'll be able to customize it. Here in the theme library, you'll find every theme that you maybe imported from somewhere or just uploaded, or you get it from the theme of Shopify App Store. As you can see, if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see in the Shopify App Store some themes that you can use for free. So you can see this is some popular free themes. You can go here and visit the theme store as an example to see or look for more themes that you can use. So, but some of them, as you can see, are paid. You cannot get them for free. If you want to do not see the paid one, you can simply just go and check this free option. And here you'll find just the free theme and you will be able to use whatever you want. So as an example, I just use this. And as you can see, you can simply click on try theme. As you can see, add and refresh to your online store themes. Of course, refresh is just the name of the theme. And as you can see, the theme is added here. So you can go and click on customize it to customize the theme however you want, then publish it whenever you want. If you click on the three dots, you'll be able to rename it, edit the code of it, or even remove it from your theme library. Again, if you click on this visit the theme store, you'll be able to view other themes. So we can go to free from here. And as you can see, you'll find Spotlight, right? So all of those that you will find here are free. So look for whatever suits you or whatever you like. As an example, this Spotlight, you can always click on it, then click on try theme again. And once you do so, add in Spotlight to your online store themes, and it will be added to your theme library. So as you can see, nothing here. I'll simply have to reload or refresh the page. And as you can see, I have two of them here. So now, once you go to the theme that you want, you can even use like the basic theme that comes with it, which is the down theme, as you can see. You can customize that, or you can go to whatever theme you just downloaded to customize it, depending on whatever suits you. As an example, I'm just going to the down theme here. Of course, you can go to whatever theme you want and click on customize to customize your theme. You'll have to go and access now the theme settings. You'll find it on this left panel, as you can see. So this is the second option, theme settings. So simply click on that. And from here, you'll have to choose the colors or backgrounds to change. So depending on your theme, of course, you'll find different ways to access the background settings. In most cases, you will directly find a background option within the theme settings. Alternatively, you might see colors like this one, as you can see, option, which will lead you to customize the background color. You can even edit a lot of other stuff, including logo, typography, layouts, animations, buttons, and a lot of other stuff that you can see from here. So for me, I'm just going to colors right here. And from this option, you'll be able to change the background color, the background, you can image if you want to. An example, so the schemes here, color schemes can be applied to section throughout your online store. So we have the scheme one. You can change the background color, background ingredient. So as you can see, no color chosen. The text, solid button background, solid button label, outline button and shadow. So example, let's just change the background into black or into blue. Just choose blue here and go with the light blue a bit. Just go with that. So here, as you can see, this is the colors that I choose for my background. And as you can see, the background is changed from blue or from white to blue. This is for the scheme one. Of course, we have other schemes that we can use, or we can go and add a new scheme if we want to, depending on whatever color we want. You can always go back to the section here and add whatever you want on the section and see how this will go with the background that you choose. Other than that example, you'll be able even to change or to get an image as an example on the background if you want instead of colors. So for example, we have here an image on the background. We can simply go to this. And as an example, I'm just going to put this Amazon uh, logo as the background. So as you can see, this is included in the background. You can even change the text if you want to, change the button if you want to. Depending on whatever suits you, you'll be able to do kind of everything. As you can see on this homepage, you'll be able to change whatever you want. So after adjusting the background color, and if your theme of course offers like background color customization, you'll simply have to click on the color picker and choose like a new background color that complements your store overall design. Then once you're done, you'll simply have to preview and save everything. So after making like the changes, click on preview button to see how the background looks on your store, as you can see here on the desktop, on the mobile, and even in full screen. So from here, you'll be able to preview everything. And simply, if you're done with your changes, you can click save to apply the changes permanently. As you can see, now the changes is saved. Now you'll be able, or once you're saved your background customization, you'll be able to publish everything if you want, especially if you get a plan or if you have a plan. At the moment, I don't have a plan, as you can see, because they are asking me to pick a plan. But for you, if you have a plan, you will find a publish button. You will be able to click on it and you will find yourself with it published your store with the changed background. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations on successfully changing the background of your Shopify store. Your new background adds a refresh and personalized touch on your online store, enhancing its visual appeals for customers. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.